Welcome to Santorini. Not feeling crush hot today, so I'm just taking it easy, stepping out the back. You can see that Brianna right at the front there, she's keen as to get to the blue domes. Get those Instagram pictures, I guess. Alright, see you there. Walking down the little alleyways of Santorini. We're taking the donkey track down back to the foreshore. So get on our boat.
Just you and me. The sun's
Welcome to Mykonos!